Hello, this is Nick from nixclicks.biz, and today I want to give you a comprehensive overview of the Impact Mailing Club program. Stay until the end of the video to find out how to get your bonuses if you decide to pursue this opportunity. So let me tell you a little bit about the company, why I joined it, and what they have to offer you. Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail marketing program that you can work from home, and it's available in the United States, including all US territories overseas and in Canada. The reason I joined the company is that I wanted to diversify my income streams and not just be dependent on online marketing, which I've been specializing for the last 5 years. I've made multiple six figures online in different niches and on different platforms. But this is the one business I know for a fact that even people who are not tech savvy or massive computer users can succeed with. As a marketer who helps others, I wanted to make sure I had something for everyone and all skill levels. With Impact Mailing Club, you have the opportunity to earn a full time scalable income from the comfort of your own home. You also have the ability to buy your mailing materials online from retailers like Walmart or Amazon. So this is literally a business you can just stay at home and run. There is no need to even go to the post office if your mail carrier will pick up your outgoing mail. You can even buy stamps online these days. With that said, getting out of the house for some fresh air and meeting people in your community is never a bad idea. As a matter of fact, it's a great way to share and expose your business to others that would be interested. But the reality is, if you are sick, have disabilities, or just don't like to work for other people, this is a great possibility for you. Sometimes freedom is more than money and security. I know this as a fact as I left a six figure job in corporate America to pursue my dreams of running my own business remotely. And trust me, some days it's not easy. But when I consider I live my life on my own terms, it's worth the extra effort to work for yourself from the comfort of your own home. Now, when you decide to become a member of the Impact Mailing Club, you will receive the reseller rights at the level you decide to join at. When you decide to become a member of Impact Mailing Club, the company will provide you with high quality leads that are verified by the United States Postal Service. You can either order the CSV file of labels and print them from your computer, or you can have the company mail you the peel and stick labels already printed and ready to go. Impact Mailing Club also has great training resources, stunning flyers, and an informative PDF sign up form that you could print and mail out to your leads. You could even customize your own to fit your personality and strategy. Once a lead you mail decides to become a member, you will receive a cash commission and a book or more of stamps directly from them in your mailbox. If they are really eager to start and contact you directly asking if there's a faster way to get started, then you can, at your discretion, provide your lead with alternate ways to pay you. This income opportunity is perfect for any American or Canadian adult over 18, but just to give some ideas, it would work great for college students that struggle having a full time job while trying to maintain their grades. Plus, it'd be very easy to show fellow students how they can participate in the same. It's also a great way for retired people or those on fixed incomes to make some extra money so they aren't living check to check. Military veterans, both retired, injured, or otherwise, could definitely benefit from having a mail order style business. Stay at home parents are another group of people that could take advantage of this business model and just work it into their daily routine. Consider all the hardworking people, especially single mothers, that have two or three jobs just to put food on the table for their children and pay for the necessities. With a little bit of hard work, this business can eventually cover those excess costs that you trade time for money for currently. I can go on and on about how many different people this program can help, but I think you get it now, right? Now, when you become a member, you will receive a welcome package, a resource guide, and access to an exclusive community group on Facebook. On top of all that, you get discounts on an assortment of things, the main one being business leads to mail to. And I have been around long enough to deal with a few different companies to know that this is an amazing deal. Now, I'm sure you want to know the cost, so let's get into it. First, there are different levels, and there's no reason for me to mess around and start at the bottom, so let's just start at the top. Currently, the highest business level to join Impact Mailing Club is the Diamond package with a total cost of $2,000. So if you decided you wanted to come in at the top level, you send your sponsor the name in box one on the form, $1,000. In that case, it would be me, and 3 books of stamps to my mailing address. You also send $500 and 2 books of stamps to the name in box number two. Then the last $500 would go to Impact Mailing Club itself. The administration address for the company is in box number three. The next highest level is Sapphire, which is $500 to join. 300 goes to the person in box one with 2 books of stamps. 100 goes to box number two with 2 books of stamps. And the last $100 goes to the administration in box three. Ruby is the third level, $250 to join, $150 to box one with 2 books of stamps, $50 to box two with 2 books of stamps, and $50 to the admin in box three. Finally, the lowest fee to pay to get to be a part of this program is called the Emerald level, which costs only $100 to join. 65 of those dollars go to the person in box one with 1 book of stamps, and $20 goes to box two with 1 book of stamps, and $15 goes to the administration. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward mailing business. The only materials you need are envelopes, stamps, and a printer if you want to print your lead labels yourself. You can order return address labels online from Staples or even get a stamp made. That way, in the top left corner where you put your return address, rather than writing it out by hand, you could either put a sticker or a stamp, save some time there. You buy leads from the company not only to promote this business, but you can also buy leads from Impact Mailing Club to promote other businesses you might have. And there's even an option for some to resell the leads for a profit. So that is the overview of how Impact Mailing Club works. It's your own mailing business to teach people how to get quality leads for their business among quality training and discounted resources. Once you get into the business and join the Facebook group, you will learn a ton more, I promise. I also urge you to subscribe to my channel here, and you will learn tips on how to optimize and scale your business using the internet marketing skills I've developed over the years, along with other direct mail strategies. So, whether you join at $100 or $2,000, it doesn't matter. Just get started. But if you're short on cash and you really want to start at the top, then reach out to me at the email in the description. If you have good credit, I have access to small business lenders that can give you some seed money to get started with many different types of businesses, not just direct mail marketing. I've helped people access funds to start their own Facebook ads advertising agency, to get coaching in YouTube marketing, to start an e-commerce store, and more. But again, don't let that stop you. You can still get started at $100, save up your commissions, and then move up to the next level. It's not a race against anyone. It's a marathon to your financial freedom finish line. Now for the bonuses. If you join at the $100 Emerald, you get to be put in my traffic rotator where I'm running email traffic to a page that will rotate your signups it will rotate your sign up form in place of mine. So essentially, I have this page running and my sign up form is in there. However, the people that are on my team, I have that offer in the back switching from my form to your form. And what that allows you to do is occasionally, possibly get a sale. Now, I wouldn't bank on it because, there's so many people that are in the rotator that the clicks don't happen that often. But the thing is it still gives you a chance because I'm always running traffic. So as long as you're in that rotator, there's potential for you to land a sale. Okay. If you join me at the Sapphire level, which is the $500 level, you will get 100 solo ad clicks from me. So if you aren't familiar with solo ads, it's when you buy email traffic from a vendor to send directly to your offer. So you can go to my website, nixclicks.biz, to see my testimonials and normal prices. It's usually $84 value. Now going back, I missed something. If you join at the $100 level, there's another level after that to $250 level. The same thing would apply. You'd still be in the rotator, but if you're at the $250 level, you'd get more clicks than at the $100 level. Okay. And then at the Sapphire level, that's the $500 level, you'll get actual 100 clicks directly from me. So not a rotator, you'll get 100 clicks coming directly to you. And usually they'll come in, within a day or so. And like I said, if you go to my website, nixclicks.biz, you'll see that that's an $84 value. Now, if you decide to go all in and join me at the top diamond level, which is the level I'm at, you will get 500 solo ad clicks. And again, if you go to my website, you'll see that's a $375 value plus. And this is the main thing. This is the big part. And this is why, if you're serious about this, you should get in at the diamond level. I'm going to have my team create you a capture page plus an email autoresponder and a follow-up series, and I'll take care of the first year payment. We'll call that a $97 value. So essentially what's going to happen there is I'm going to create you a page. So if you're promoting online, buying traffic, doing some sort of social media, and people go to that website, they're going to enter their email address, and then they're going to go to the offer, and then you're going to collect their email address, and then my system is going to send them an email for the next couple of days. That way, it's not a one-time thing. It's not like they saw your offer one time and you lost them. With this method, you're going to be able to follow up with these clients for as long as you want. It's going to have like a 7-day follow-up series that's already pre-written. And then after that, you can feel free to email them yourself, and I'll have tutorials on how to do that. So if you look at that, it's almost $500 just in value that I'm giving you just to join at the diamond level. So even though, you're sending me 1,000 and then 500 to the person in box 2 and 500 to the company, you're already going to get $375 in solo ad traffic coming right back at you, which will help you build your leads and potentially get some sales. Plus, the software for the autoresponder. So the benefits of joining my team is getting access to me and the tools that'll help you build your business online as well as offline with direct mail. So go to nicholaslal.com/mailbox money or find the link in the description below and get started. All my contact information is below as well. I reply back to comments on YouTube. You can message me on Facebook, Skype, or you can email me. If you want to make a change in your financial future, you need to take a chance on yourself. It still requires work, but we have a great community of people to support you to reach your goals. Please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I will have a lot of free tutorials coming on how to make money online and get your business rolling. Thank you for your time, and I hope to work with you soon.